Like and subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get new video updates.
Tesla's seatbelts allegedly not fastened to the vehicle. Inspected Tesla is under investigation by U.S. auto safety agencies over complaints that seatbelts on new Model X vehicles are not fully fastened and may not restrain people in an accident, according to a filing Tuesday, which joins other probes in other Tesla vehicles ads, including investigations into the automaker's steering wheels and its self-driving software. 362,758, an investigation into potentially faulty steering wheels involves an additional 120,000 vehicles. The agency previously recalled an estimated 61,000 Kia vehicles in 2022 after an investigation found that the seatbelt pretensioners the company's abnormally triggered or exploded in some models. CEO Elon Musk, who was previously promoted to the company's self-driving capabilities, has told investors that Tesla vehicles are not quite ready to have nobody behind the wheel. In the midst of the exam, federal agencies, the Department of Justice and the Securities and Exchange Commission in recent years, the NHTSA previously issued a recall of Tesla vehicles, saying the self-driving system could cause problems such as examples include passing a stop sign without stopping or driving through an intersection without caution at a yellow light. Agency officials investigated 35 software-related Tesla crashes, according to the Associated Press, because 19 people died in those crashes, including 2 motorcyclists.